Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel My Project Ideas. Today we are going to make a C++ project on the topic customer billing system. So without much delay we'll begin. Let's see the requirements of this code first. You'll be requiring an IDE or an integrated development environment for running and compiling the source code. You can use any text editor as per your choice, but the recommended ones are code blocks or VS Code. Again, you are supposed to require an operating system. Again, you may use any operating system as per your choice, but the recommended ones are Windows 10 or any other latest version. Moving to the next slide, the code part. Here we have included certain header files, the standard line using namespace std. Then here we have a go to xy function, which takes two attributes x and y as input. Then we have a coordinate attribute. Then we are initializing the coordinate dot x to x and coordinate dot y to y. Then here we are setting the console cursor position. So these are the standard functions used in C++. Then we go to the struct calendar where we have a month, day and year. Then again we have upstream and upstream, that is f out and f in, that is for the file handling. Then we have a class named items where we have the integer data type. The variable is item number and the character array whose name is name, and we have 25 as the length of the character array. Then we have the public access specifier. We have a function named void plus where it is asking us to enter the item number, name of the item, manufacturing calendar. The display function, we will be getting the output as item number, name of the item, and the calendar, manufacturing calendar. Then in the void data, we are having the two functions, that is go to xy, and we have the parameters 3 and x, and next is go to xy, again parameters is 13 and x. Then we are using the put s for the string manipulation, and the name we are getting is name. Then here we have int return number where we are returning the item number. Then we have a public items. Here we'll be describing the functions in the class amount, where we have plus, display data, calculate, pay, return net amount. So for the plus function, we have to input the price, quantity, tax percent, and discount percent. So whatever again we are going to do the transaction, it will be stored in the files because we are using the file handling here. Then we have the calculate function. In the calculate function, we are going to calculate the gross amount and the net amount. The formulas are written here. You can see this is actually the formula to calculate the gross amount and the net amount. Then we have the display function, and the display function we are going to display the item names, and the items will be retrieved from the item store.dat file, and the net amount and all the stuff, all the important stuff that is being stored or entered by the user, that is going to be stored in the item store.dat file. Then we have a data function in which we have to enter the details of items, the item number, item name, the cost, quantity, tax added, the cost deduction, and the net amount of the items. Then in the pay function, we have the details of the payment like the price, quantity, tax percentage, discount percentage, and net amount. And in the main function, we have the certain functionalities through which we can choose what we want to do. The customer billing system, like we want a data containing bills to add, remove, or edit items. Then we have the showed item details. Then we have exit. So we have to enter our choice accordingly. So depending on the choice what you have inputted earlier, you will be driven towards a particular file or the particular function which you intend to. There will be certain cases. Accordingly, you will be moving towards the particular case according to your choice. If the item you need to add successfully, if the item is already there in the file, it will let's say that the item is already present in the file. And if the file itself is missing, it will display that sorry, you have entered the incorrect choice. The file is not found. Then in the modification, you can enter the current details will be modified. So it will ask you to enter the new details. Then after which the item details will be edited. Then you have to delete the number of items. Accordingly, if you want to delete any items, again a temporary file will be created and the items will be stored there. Then if you select anything else other than that, it will display that sorry, whatever you have whatever choice you have entered is invalid and the program needs to be terminated abruptly. And this is for the invalid entry or the item does not exist and try again. If again you are selecting something which is not there, which is not appropriate, then it will lead to the program termination. So it will display that invalid entry, that item does not exist, or you have to try again. So this was the end of the code. I hope you understood the code. Now we'll be moving towards the actual implementation of the code. So this is what the code looks like. So now let me run it and show it to you. So here I run the code, the customer billing system. So we are running the code in the terminal. Whatever I explained you now, I'm going to show it to you. Like how does it work? What is the program flow and the stuff? Here we have the customer billing system. So what do you want? We will be adding, editing or removing an item. So I have to add the item. Item number is 123. Name of the item is a soap. Manufacturing calendar 12 to 2022. Price is say 100 rupees. Quantity 3. Tax percentage 4. Discount percentage is 5. Item is added successfully. So now I have to go to the main menu. Then I have to be back to the main menu. Then I have to show you the item details. So my item number is 123. So this is what is the exact amount. You can see the details. Then again I have to add another item. Say the item number is 234. The name of the item is say shampoo. Manufacturing calendar will be 3 wait 0304 this is 2021. Price say it is 340 rupees. Quantity I need 5 and the tax percent here is 12 and the discount percent is 5%. Item has been added, so I need to check. I have to press the back menu. Then I have to check whether my item is added. So this is 234. See, this is my shampoo. Whatever imported, then whatever I have to pay is 1808.80 rupees. I hope you got it. Then the data containing bills. So I have to enter all items. So this is what I have entered till now. So the total which I have to pay is 2105.20. I'll show you the delete stuff also. I press 2. I have to delete the 123. So item has been deleted. So let me go to the back menu and I'll show you. See, 2 3 1 2 3, right? 1 2 3. So this is invalid entry. Before it had the soap. It is asking me to try again. So I hope you understood the working of this code. Now let me exit and show you. So I have to buy. This is pressing. Thanks. So that means my code is running properly. So I hope you understood the working of this code. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting project ideas. Thank you and have a great day.